What's up, Glam fam? Thank you all so much for joining me today, and if it's your first time to my channel, a huge and warm welcome to you as well. I hope you all are having an amazing week, and I'm really excited to be sharing this video with you guys today because I will be talking about a really exciting new product from Moitie Cosmetics. I've shared different tutorials in the past featuring Moitie cosmetic products, for example, like their at-home lash extension kits, which are incredible, so fabulous, would highly recommend. If you are looking to get lash extensions at home, they're really easy to apply, but those videos have mostly been just like an application process. And after I share the video, I usually get a lot of questions just asking different things about the product, specifically like their lashes, their segmented lashes. And now they have brought out a new product, which is their magic liner. And lash liner is actually a fairly new product in the beauty industry, and it shocks me like every time. I am just so impressed. And I have not tried a lash liner as good as Moitie Cosmetics. So I am really excited to, yes, be sharing a lash application tutorial featuring their magic liner, but also answering some questions that you guys have asked me in the past. So if you're not familiar with false eyelash eyeliner, it basically just works like any other eyeliner. Sometimes it's a felt tip applicator, or sometimes it is liquid. And basically you just apply it like your just everyday eyeliner, or however you prefer. And what's really cool is that there's different ingredients and bonding antigens that help the false eyelashes adhere directly to the liner. So there's not like wait time for eyelash glue. It literally is instant. It immediately adheres. So it's really, really cool. And Moitie Cosmetics has come out with 6 different shades of their magic liner. Moitie Cosmetics magic liners are a felt tip liner, and they have a really precise tip on them, so you can make your eyeliner as thick or as thin as you want to. And if you are a winged eyeliner sort of a girl, I definitely am, you can make that wing as sharp as you want to, honey. So I'm going to be wearing the brown shade today. I think it would complement the look I have on my eyes really nicely, and I've actually only ever worn the black and the clear shades, so I'm really excited to put this on the eyes and see how it turns out. I think the swatch like turned out beautifully, so I'm really excited to try this one out. So let's get into the application. So I zoomed you guys in quite a bit, but for lashes I'm actually going to be wearing a style on the top and the bottom. So for the top I'm going to be using one of their new styles. These are so stunning. I am like so excited to be sharing these with you guys. This is my favorite style from their Around the World collection. This is in the style Rio. So pretty. Love this so much. So I'm going to be wearing these on the top, and as you can see, they are segmented, so you can customize these lashes however you want to. That's something I really enjoy about Moitie Cosmetics. It's all up to you. You have full reins over your beauty looks. And then for the lashes that I will be wearing on the bottom, just to create a really dramatic and glamorous look, these are also from Moitie Cosmetics. They don't have a name on the box, but they are also the segmented style. I think this is one of their most natural styles of lashes, so if this is more this would definitely be a style to try. So I like applying the eyeliner first, obviously, and then pretty much placing the lashes right after it has dried. So I think I'm going to do something pretty thin today, and basically following the same shape of the cut crease that I've got going on. A really drawn out wing, kind of like a foxy eye is what's in mind. I actually really like this shade of brown. It's really natural looking. Most brown eyeliners I feel are all pretty much the same shade and tone. This one is really warm toned, but like in a medium range. And you don't have to pile that liner on. You can just use the normal amount. And then once you've applied that eyeliner, then you can just go ahead and start applying your lashes. I like to start from the outer corner and work my way in. Like, see how just like effortlessly I'm just like gently placing the lash segments right on my lash line on top of my natural lashes, and just it instantly adheres. So if you're someone who isn't a huge fan of lash glue, this is definitely a product that you are going to want to use if you still want to wear false eyelashes. These lashes have got some serious drama. Right, so there is the first eye for the Rio lashes. Right, you guys, so there is the second eye done for the top lashes. And another thing I want to share with you guys too is one thing that I was concerned about when I was first trying like any lash liner is how well they were going to hold throughout the day. So with Moitie Cosmetics, they do last up to 10 hours, so you don't have to worry about them falling off throughout the day. I actually don't even feel the need to throw the liner in my purse just in case I have to touch it up. Like, there's no fear, they are not going anywhere. Okay, so I actually changed my mind on the bottom lashes. I decided to pull out another style from Moitie Cosmetics. I think this is like their Light Glam style. Again, there's no name on the box, so I can't be sure. So this style is a little bit more long and wispy, and I just applied the two like innermost segments on the bottom outer corner, and I left a little bit of space to give it kind of like a vintagey, like 60s sort of a vibe. So I used the clear eyeliner for my lower lash line so that you can't really see the liner. So I'm going to show you how I do that right now. So I'm just going to apply just the first section of my outer corner. Just sort of do a couple strokes with the clear liner. Just over here making up words. You know how it is. And then I'm just going to apply those lashes directly onto the liner. I'm kind of getting like moth or like butterfly vibes too, you know, in the spirit of Halloween. And here is the finished look. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to check out any of Moitie Cosmetics products, their 10-day lashes or their instant magic liner, make sure you go to their website, and you can also use the code KYAHXO and save $5 off site-wide. Love you all so much, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Peace out.